Model, 2013 Iveco Daily 35C13 with B3450 curtain cider Luton box tail lift noisy engine long MOT. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 310,556. MOT, the 10th of March 2025. Engine, 2287 cc F1AE348-1M. Transmission, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. The engine will need repairing or replacing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp